You know, when you order something and you just want it to be here, and that's, you know, that's what you wait for all day. And you wait and you wait, nothing, nothing at all. Keep checking the web page, and what does it say? Out for delivery. Then you continue to wait. You check the clock. And then you wait some more. Continue waiting. A whole lot of waiting. Yeah. You guys will see it though. It'll be awesome. I promise. I'm just gonna keep waiting. I'll turn you back on when it gets here. Well, there it is. Don't worry, it's not actually in there. It's already in the computer. Believe me, this has been a long time coming. It was actually been like a few days since I've received the thing, and I've been gaming on it a little bit. But yes, it is in there. That good old 1060. I'm pretty happy about it. And games have been running a whole lot better than I thought they would with that thing. So yeah, I know my chair is like super freaking loud. Don't worry about it. But we're talking about the 1060 here. I've been able to wait. Why am I doing this? Okay, that is so much better. This is what I have right now. This is my CPU, AMD FX 8300. No overclocking done at all, so just a 3.3 megahertz that I'm getting, and then it boosts up to the 3.6. GPU, no overclocking. Literally not overclocking anything because I don't have the best motherboard for it. So just leaving it stock. How about that? But I've been able to play everything I want to play. I mean, The Division.
Approaching marked location. Warning. Hostiles detected nearby.
Grand Theft Auto. Fallout.
Hello? Someone there? You don't have to do that. Don't make noises.
Yep. I mean, I don't really play too much, so my list isn't that long per se. Sorry. It's growing though. I mean, those are probably the most prettiest games that I have. And I don't know if you want to count the crew, but Batman, Arkham Knight, yeah, that game looks good. That looks pretty good. Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been a video about my GTX 1060. I freaking love the thing, and it matches so perfectly with the case. Alright, thanks for watching.